All right, hey, what's up, guys? It's Roy here, and I want to talk about a major blow to the gut that I got yesterday after I started playing around with my new OnePlus 8T from T-Mobile. So I picked this bad boy up yesterday. I really didn't pick it up. I actually got it mailed to me. I actually ordered it through T-Mobile's website. I'm on Jump on Demand, so I switched from my OnePlus 8 and decided to go with the new and improved OnePlus 8T. And so far, in the last 24 hours that I've had it, or almost 24 hours, I actually really like the phone. Feels good in the hand. I don't have a case on it yet, so I'm scared to death of getting scratches or dropping it. But there's not really any cases out yet for it, other than the ugly ones that T-Mobile sells. But with that being said, there's a major issue with this device, and it's not a deal breaker, but it really does feel like OnePlus or T-Mobile, whoever decided to do this, truly let down their fan base and their users. And that is not having out of the box the always on display. So, yeah, if you have the T-Mobile version, you don't get the always on display. That's stupid. That is the dumbest thing that I have run across dealing with phones. Now, I'm okay with not getting updates as fast. I'm okay with not being able to dive into the beta software updates and stuff like that with like OxygenOS when they were doing OxygenOS 11 and the beta and all that. Yes, I wanted it, but I'm okay with not being able to get that because obviously I don't buy this phone outright. I'm just paying monthly on it through JOD, and at some point I'm going to trade it in anyways again and get another phone. But during my time with it, I want to be able to have a full experience with the phone. And so not having the always on display with T-Mobile is like a slap in the face. It's a big punch in my gut saying, "Hey guys, thanks for buying our cool new phone and paying monthly for it, but guess what? You don't get all the bells and whistles like the unlocked version does." Which I get it, but that's just a simple thing that was just the big hype of the OnePlus phone when you got OxygenOS 11 was, hey, we're going to throw on always on display. Bad ass. I was super stoked about that because I have had Samsung phones. I currently have a Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. I have a Pixel 4. All those have always on displays. That's great. I love that. I was looking forward to having that on a OnePlus device, but unfortunately, it does not. So, if you want to check out how to turn on your always on display, all you do is just go into settings, go to display, click ambient display, and there you'll find all the things about ambient display. But what T-Mobile's doesn't have is the extra step to be able to turn on always on display. Because when you click that function, then it gives you the opportunity to turn it on all the time, leave it off all the time, or turn it on at certain intervals throughout the day if you wanted it to be on only between like, I don't know, like 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. or something like that. But you don't get that option with the OnePlus 8T Plus 5G from T-Mobile. So that's a pretty big bummer. Will they have it? I have to imagine that they will. I pray to God that at some point very soon they decide to do an OTA update and allow you to have that update and get that on this phone. But you don't. So, like for example, like right now, like if I lift the phone up, you see the display and you see all that, very Samsung-esque looking clock that they've updated, which I actually like it. I like this clock. But I have to tap it. I have to tap it. I don't want to do that. I want it to always be on. So, dang you, OnePlus or T-Mobile, whoever decided to do that. That really sucks. So yeah, guys. So that's the video. Just letting y'all know, if you get the OnePlus 8T Plus 5G from T-Mobile, you will not have always on display out of the box. Eventually, I'm sure we will, but for the time being, October 21st, 2020, you do not. So comment down below, let me know, do you have the T-Mobile version yet of this phone? If you do, how disappointed are you not having always on display? Am I making a big deal about this? Am I overhyping the always on display function? I have to think not, because that was like the number one thing that OnePlus users was the feedback that they were giving OnePlus. Hey, what do you want? We want always on display. Gotcha. Heard you loud and clear. We're going to throw it on there. But guess what? Not on this one. So hit that like button, guys, and please do subscribe if you do enjoy the content that you see with this video or any of my other videos. I have like 60 videos on YouTube right now, so please check out one of them if one speaks to you. But I really appreciate that. I'm really trying to get my subscriptions up because as I grow with my channel, I'm trying to actually get my hands on review products and things like that, but a lot of them won't take me serious until I have more subscriptions. Some of them have, some of them haven't. All the major players definitely have not, as far as some of the name brands out there. But at the end of the day, I know I have like 215, 216 subscribers, something like that, which I'm super blessed to have that in the 4 months I've been on YouTube, but I need more. So guys, hit that subscription button if you do enjoy this. So be safe out there, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.